Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, leather seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, make a great choice today with 2012 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. Come see the car for yourself.